Hey!
Ooh, nice!
Look at you looking good!
Alright.
I like it. Like, yeah, the Nara. New Rider jeans.
Yeah.
That's the team of 520, isn't it? I do like that. I do like that. I've got New Riders on as well. Yeah, and I've got 520 as well because this is like really cool. I like it.
It is very
Do
cool.
I?
Hey!
What?
Hang on a minute.
Go on.
Wouldn't it be really, really cool if we can give these outfits away?
What, for Christmas? Like a real special Christmas competition?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I think we'll do what I either give away a girls or a men's top to toe boots.
Boots, jeans, jacket, helmet, gloves.
The whole lot.
The whole lot.
It's beginning to look a lot like.
Right, so the rules.
Rules. Okay, yes, right. You can enter no matter where you are. UK, Finland, Australia, doesn't make any difference. But if you win and you live outside of the UK, you've got to pay the carriage. That is just the way it goes. Now, how are we going to do this one?
So how do you enter, I hear you ask? Well, we are doing something different, even more different than last time. We are going to ask you to duet. Now duet the next video that we post after this. And how's it going to go?
Quite simple. Okay, you will see the video, and on the video there will be either Gemma or myself, and we will say those immortal lines that end up at the end of all our YouTube videos, which is, and for any more information you need to go to
Bikerheadz.co.uk.
That's the bit you guys need to do. Do it however you want. You can have a helmet on, a hat on, a mask on, we don't care. But to enter this competition, you have to do it. The word again?
The word again is bikerheadz.co.uk.
Just a little FYI, this competition runs till December the 31st, midnight. Jeans alone are over 200 quid.
This is awesome, I love it.
Exactly. So, what a gift. Merry Christmas, everybody. And yeah, we'll see you in the new year, and one particular, or maybe two people in particular will have some awesome new kit to show off in the new year too. Bye-bye.